Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Hostinger and navigating immediately to the H panel. This saves time and gets you into DNS settings fast. Once logged in, open the Domains or Hosting section and select the domain you want to check. Make sure you can view current DNS records and that you exported or copied them. This prevents accidental loss. If you manage name servers elsewhere, note that difference now so you know whether to work in Hostinger or the registrar. Now you inspect each record inside the DNS zone editor. You check A and AA records to confirm IPs, CNAME for aliases, MX for mail routing, and TXT for verification or SBF. While doing that, explain why TTL matters. Lower TTL propagates changes faster but increases DNS queries. Use the search or filter to find duplicates or conflicting entries, and once identified, edit or delete the incorrect ones. Make small changes and save to avoid breaking live services. Finally, verify externally with dig or ENS lookup so you see what the world sees. This confirms propagation and cached values. Once done, compare Hostinger's name servers with your registrar. Mismatches mean Hostinger's DNS isn't authoritative. If records don't match or services fail, restore your backup copy or revert edits, and then change one record at a time to isolate the issue. A key troubleshooting tip: clear local DNS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.